Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, October 25th. A significant rain event coming to the Mid-Atlantic region, primarily in the period from late Friday into late Saturday. There will be a secondary system that produces some additional showers in the same area Sunday night and Monday. It stays chilly right through the weekend. In fact, stays chilly right to the end of October, which is takes us right into the middle part of next week. It looks like dry and chilly conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday, of course, being Halloween Day. A couple of main players on the surface map this morning. First of all, we have strong, cold, high pressure situated over the eastern Great Lakes. Temperatures in the I-95 corridor region this morning from D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City, generally in the 30s, some frost around. This is a fresh, cold air mass. Meanwhile, we have a lot of warm, moist air down in the Gulf of Mexico and low pressure starting to form. This low pressure area will ride up to the north and east, basically towards the Carolina coastline and up or near the east coast during Friday night and Saturday, producing some significant rainfall for D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City. Basically, this warm and moist air will have to ride up and over the cold air in place in the northeast U.S. This cold air mass will act as a nice overrunning surface for this upcoming event. Again, the main period for rain will be late Friday into late Saturday, and there will be some strong wind gusts out of the northeast to accompany this significant rain event as well. Well, let's take a look at the 0Z GFS model run. We'll first look at 500 millibar height anomalies because two different systems will impact the region over the next few days. The first one, the main event, late Friday into late Saturday, and then a second event Sunday night and Monday. Here we start off the day on Thursday again with a cold air mass now in place in the northeast U.S. Let's move ahead in 6-hour increments. And the first thing that happens is this upper level trough over the middle part of the country slides to the Midwest and deepens. It intensifies by tomorrow afternoon, takes on a little bit of a negative tilt, and that is when low pressure will intensify along the Mid-Atlantic coastline, down by the Carolina coastline. And as we move forward here into Saturday morning, we have not only this deep upper level trough sitting here with surface low pressure at this time right along the Mid-Atlantic coastline, but notice a little secondary system here, and that will impact the region Sunday night and Monday. Let's keep pushing ahead. Here we go. That surface low pulls away by Saturday night. Sunday actually may turn out to be a semi-decent day. Mostly cloudy skies, but there can be a few intervals of sunshine in the I-95 corridor region. Maybe a shower or two, but most of the shower activity that will be associated with the second feature arrives in the Sunday night and Monday time frame. Let's keep moving forward here. Now Sunday afternoon, a pretty vigorous upper level system here does slide through and will impact the region with additional showers, but probably not during the day on Sunday, more likely Sunday night and Monday. Here we go now into Monday morning, and here is that second feature. So again, the main event in terms of rain and wind will be late Friday into late Saturday, and then a secondary system will produce additional showers Sunday night and Monday. Sunday itself may not turn out to be that bad. Well, let's walk through the surface forecast maps from the 0Z GFS model run. These maps, by the way, available at tropicaltidbits.com. High pressure sitting on top of the region. Plenty of sunshine today. Still well below normal temperatures for this time of the year. At least 10 degrees below what it should be during the latter stages of October. Low pressure down by the Gulf coastal region with a lot of moisture. And again, some of that moisture fed in from the remains of Hurricane Willa. Let's now move forward here. High pressure tends to shift off the East Coast by tonight, and tonight will certainly not turn out as cold as it was last night. Frost is not an issue tonight. And here we go, all that moisture moving to the north and east. And again, this warm, moist air will have to be forced up and over the cold air in place in the northeast U.S. Here we are by Friday morning. Clouds will thicken up in a hurry tomorrow morning in the I-95 corridor region, and then rain moves into D.C. during probably the early to mid-afternoon, and Philadelphia by late afternoon, and probably early evening in New York City. Here is that low pressure system by the middle of tomorrow night, sitting right near the Carolina coastline. A lot of rainfall here at this time in the I-95 corridor region, especially from D.C. to Philadelphia. That all moves to the north and east. Storm system itself may move inland a little bit over the Delmarva Peninsula or interior sections of southern New Jersey. A lot of wind as well. There could be east to northeast wind gusts up to 30 or 40 miles per hour. Certainly along the coastal region, but even in some places like New York City, interior New Jersey, maybe southeastern Pennsylvania. And again, the heaviest rain probably in the overnight hours on Friday night going into Saturday morning. And here we go. By later in the day Saturday, the storm starts to lift out to the north and east. We have a bit of a break in the action here. Here we are now in the middle of the night, Saturday night going into Sunday morning here. A little bit of a break in the action. First wave passes on by to the north and east, and again, that'll be the main event, the initial event here, late Friday and late Saturday in terms of rain and wind. But here we go, some showers over the northern plains, the upper part of the Midwest by Sunday morning, and that is with that secondary upper level feature here, a pretty consolidated area of showers here by Sunday night. Pushes into the I-95 corridor, probably late Sunday night, maybe after midnight, Sunday night going into Monday morning, and here we go, showers, even low pressure area forms with that secondary system. Again, it looked like a pretty strong piece of energy in the upper atmosphere that hangs back for the late Sunday night, Monday time frame. This is Monday morning, showers to start off the new work week, the last couple of days of October. That finally moves away, and here we are. Northerly winds, northwesterly flow of air will usher in cold air for Tuesday and even into Wednesday of next week. Certainly dry conditions are likely on Tuesday and Wednesday, Halloween Day, but it remains below normal for this time of the year. Probably high temperatures in the 50s both days on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. But before we get to that dry and chilly weather, we have quite a bit of rainfall coming to the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, the main event with rain and wind late Friday and late Saturday, and then additional showers late Sunday night and Monday. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.